Did you know that with DPS compounds, your truck will make incredible power without high EGTs, even while towing? It'll turn your truck into the best daily driver. We designed our kits on CAD software so they fit like factory parts. We also use computational fluid dynamics and allows us to engineer and optimize the airflow. Simply put, with our compounds, air goes through the air filter into the big turbo first, and then the small turbo second, and then it goes into the engine. Then the exhaust comes into the small turbo first, and then into the big turbo second, and then out the exhaust system. Essentially, one turbocharger charges another turbocharger, which in turn charges the engine. The engine can receive almost 3 times more air than a single turbo.
With the compounds, I don't ever worry about my temps anymore. It's been proven time and time again. We just pulled one of the roughest holes out here in the west, and EGTs are still way down low.